Everyone wants to master something, a skill, a craft, a discipline. But the secret isn't hidden in talent or motivation. It's hidden in rhythm, in something called deliberate consistency. Most people start with random intensity. They get inspired, binge learn for hours, then burn out. It's like going to the gym once a week and expecting to get strong. You get a rush, not results. Real mastery doesn't come from bursts of energy. It comes from showing up deliberately every single day. So how does deliberate consistency actually work? Let's break it down. Step 1, commit to small daily sessions. Don't think hours, think frequency. Even 30 focused minutes a day beats 3 distracted hours once a week. Step 2, make every session deliberate. Don't repeat what you already know and work on your weak spots. Today, focus on rhythm. Tomorrow, on timing. The next day, on creativity. Each session should have one clear goal. Step 3, track, reflect after each session, ask, what improved, what didn't? That's how the brain learns, through feedback, through awareness. Step 4, never break momentum. You can rest, but don't disappear. Skill is like a flame. Stop feeding it and it fades. Even 5 mindful minutes can keep it alive. And step 5, let time do the compounding. Every day's effort stacks quietly, invisibly, until one day you look back and realize you crossed a line. What once felt hard now feels natural. That's the power of deliberate consistency. Steady, focused, intentional progress. It's not glamorous, but it's unstoppable. Because the people who truly master their craft aren't working harder, they're working smarter. Every single day.